Thanks for joining us on Valley News Live. We look in. Thanks to our friends at Home of Economy for providing us the view in the Devil's Lake Basin up north. Snow continues. We have some accumulations as we reported moments ago. First alert weather days continue. Right now we have a wet, slushy, heavy snow making its way in, and things are just getting started. Now the wind is expected to pick up and temperatures will fall overnight. In some places we could have some icy problems, certainly slushy roads. And well, we're going to add more water to the mixture. Now, I want to let you know that the water from this system won't make its way right into the rivers yet. That'll take a bit of time. We'll be able to analyze this a little bit further as we head through the next couple of days. Here's a look at that Highway 5 corridor near the Cavalier area. You can see snow creeping up onto the road surface there, but certainly accumulating on the road side. Travel with caution. Again, the ditches in many places filled with feet of water. We don't want your car ending up in that. That can be very dramatic for sure and dangerous. Here's a look at the snow lifting out of our southern counties, and it's setting up shop here in the north where we do have the winter storm warning that you've seen crawling across the bottom of your screen throughout the day. We do have northwest Minnesota and northeast Minnesota with heavy batches of snow, a little break in towards Bemidji, but I remind you, Bemidji here in central Minnesota, you're as far away from the radar sites as you can get, so sometimes we don't see as clearly when snow is taking place. Northeast parts of North Dakota seeing a band of moderate snow here in Findlay and straight down into northern and central parts of Cass County right now. We also have Roseau County and that Highway 11 corridor through Hallock and making its way off into the Cavalier County area as well. And this storm system is very large. Look at this, active severe thunderstorm, even a few tornado warnings along the cold front with this system as this colder, drier air is working its way into and knifing through some very sticky wet air in the southern and central plains. That's the ingredients we need for severe weather, and that's taking place. For us, freezing temperatures, Devil's Lake, best chance of flakes. We have some rain mixing in Fargo. Notice one of the warmer spots here in Sisseton, and it's in the 40s in Aberdeen. We have freezing temperatures up in northern Minnesota. And again, where we have the surface temperatures at freezing, a better chance at seeing that change over to snow at the ground faster. Gusty winds are setting up shop out in the western Dakotas now. That'll be moving our way. So tonight's snow not coming with a lot of wind. That's good news as the heaviest batch of snow makes its way through into the overnight hours tonight. Visibility, even with not much wind, down to a half mile or less at times. Here in Fargo, your temperature is a cool 36 degrees. Snowflakes are flying and not accumulating too much. A north wind at 8 miles per hour. So we have an east and northeast wind tonight. By 10 o'clock, look at the snow, just kind of continues. The heaviest will be behind us, so into the Great Lakes region and the northern counties where you see the dark blue colors. So if you can pick your hometown and watch how long it snows as we set it into motion overnight. Little break down in the south as we head towards morning, but the snow persistent along and north of Highway 200. The wind picks up as you see the green and even some yellow arrows through the day tomorrow. So wind will become a problem. The winter storm warning will expire tomorrow morning at 4 in the morning, but winter weather advisory conditions will take hold. Gusts over 40 miles per hour, and with temperatures below freezing, this snow might be fluffier and blow around and drift around and cause travel impacts even throughout your Friday. Once again, over an inch of liquid equivalent moisture when we melt the snow down and add in the raindrops we're getting today as well. 5 inches, a very good bet anywhere you see purple, even more than that in isolated locations. For Fargo, 2 inches, a very good bet, and up to 5 as we go north of town for sure. Saturday, things looking pretty cool and still snowing in the morning. We start warming things up on Sunday, and then some fun days as we'll see 50s and for the most part dry weather, a sprinkle on Wednesday, better chance of showers on Friday, but those temperatures punch past the mid-50s, and we have good weather to look forward to once we can get through this.
This is a frustrating hiccup for late April, but that's better conditions ahead.
Once we get the answers on where it all falls, we'll have better answers on how it impacts your rivers.
Good point. Thanks, Hutch. Still ahead at 6. See how farmers are getting a jump on their spring planting, even though many fields are still flooded.